Hello. Hi. This video is to explain the procedure to add categories, new categories, and subcategories. This is our main website, stocksilverjewelry.com. If you need to add a category over here, handmade, casting, and something else, let me show you how to do it in Magento backend. Alright, let us open the Magento first, Magento admin panel, and here we have catalog. There we can go to manage catalog categories. After loading it, we have two categories over here called handmade and casting, which we have added already. If you want to add one more, click on default category and then add subcategory. uh, Here you need to enter category name. Let us say it as test, and is active, yes, and URL link should be test, and any description you want, and thumbnail image can be uploaded. You can do it with your local file and all. Image URL will be the same, and page title you can leave everything empty for now. uh, Display settings, here in anchor should be yes, and available product listings sort by name or price best value. You can choose it whatever you want. Okay. uh, okay. The default product size will be best value. You can change it always. Uncheck the button and you can change it at any time, name or price. Let us leave it as best value, and custom design should be leave the custom design for now, and menu and everything leave the custom. Let us save the category. Straight away the category will be added over here as test. Let us see whether it is reflecting on our website or not. Here we can see the test as a main category again. To add a subcategory into what we have added now, we can do it in the Magento as well. Let us say you want to add, we have added all these stone 1, stud, stone 2 and all. Let us say we could add uh, some more categories into it. Into handmade, let us add a category called ring. Type ring over here, and it should be active, so we have to configure it as active, and URL link, it has to show it as ring. You can put a description over here. Let us discuss about the description, thumbnail image and images afterwards. Let us go to display settings. It should be yes over here, and the available product list, we have to select everything, and leave the default product listing short by as best value. Save the category. Let us see whether the category is added in our website or not. Refresh the page, and on handmade you've got ring over here. To add subcategories inside the ring, the same process continues by clicking ring and add subcategory. This concludes the product only should be just a minute. Add subcategory. Yeah, name can be anything. Let us say test. It can be a stone name and is active, yes, and URL link will be test. Display settings, we say yes over here, we select everything and save category. The same subcategory will be reflected over here as well. Yeah, it's over here. We can add products according to this. Let us see how can we add products in our next video by upgrading a simple product.